We believe the Enterprise was the first to bend the stars. We are wrong. The concept of the warp drive is older than Kirk. It is older than television. It began as a pulp fiction cheat, an engineering shortcut to avoid entropy. But then, the fiction did something terrifying. It reached out and changed reality. By the end of this analysis, you will understand the metamorphosis. Before the 1960s, space was a wall. Light speed was an absolute prison. Writers in the 1930s needed a way out. They treated the universe like a shroud to be folded. Jack Williamson pushed against the fabric of reality. He used space warp language like a biological threat. Then came Chester S. Geyer in 1948. His story gave us the name. In 1964, the language was still fluid. The pilot, the Cage, felt different. Captain Pike did not ask for warp. He spoke of hyperdrive and time warp. The vocabulary was not yet solid. It was a ghost in the machine. Why did warp sound so convincing? Because of a man named Einstein. General relativity taught us a dark secret. Space and time are not a void. They are a geometry, a fabric that can be stretched and torn. Warping space meant we were not moving. We were changing the math. In 1994, the fiction became a calculation. Miguel Alcubierre found a solution. He proposed a metric that mirrored the Enterprise, a bubble that moves the universe. Science did not lead the way. It followed the crumbs of a script. Star Trek did not invent the engine, but it gave the engine a soul. We build what we dream, and we dream of escape. If we can imagine the warp, we can survive the void. But every fold has a price, and the universe always collects its DE beat.